In this video, we listed the 5 best resin 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K is a resin 3D printer designed for high-resolution printing of larger models. It features an 8K resolution 10-inch LCD screen with a 28mm resolution, dual linear rails, and a durable mono LCD designed for a longer lifespan. Despite its impressive specs, it maintains a compact footprint. The printer is engineered for consistent success with solid dual linear rails, a thick T-plate to reduce wobbling, and a frosted laser-cut building plate for strong model adhesion. It's compatible with the Frozen Geo app, allowing remote control of the printer. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra. The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra is a high-resolution resin 3D printer boasting a 10-inch 12K LCD screen, AI-powered monitoring, and innovative inclined release technology for faster, more successful prints. It prioritizes ease of use with features like auto-leveling, smart alerts for potential issues, and mechanical sensors for resin and leveling safeguards. Productivity is enhanced through Wi-Fi file transfer, cluster printing capabilities, and an updated design that includes a convenient flip-top lid, making it a user-friendly option for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3. ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra. The ELEGOO MAZ 5 Ultra is a metal-bodied 3D printer featuring innovative inclined release technology for faster, more reliable printing. It boasts a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD screen with 18 by 18 micrometers XY resolution for exceptionally detailed prints. An integrated AI smart camera allows for remote monitoring and error detection during the printing process. The printer also includes auto-leveling capabilities for hands-free operation and an intelligent mechanical sensor that detects resin residue and issues alerts for issues like insufficient resin or leveling failures. These features ensure a user-friendly and efficient 3D printing experience. Number 4. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Comgrow Creality CR10 SE 3D printer is a high-performance machine crafted from durable aluminum, featuring a sleek gray finish. With compact dimensions of 12-inch dx12, wx10h and a weight of 17 kilograms, it delivers a faster printing experience, achieving speeds of up to 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 8000 mm², making it one of the quickest printers available. The CR10 SE is equipped with CR Touch technology for hands-free auto-leveling and a strain sensor for precise Z offset adjustments, simplifying the setup process for users of all levels, including beginners. Its clog-free feeding system incorporates a 60V ceramic heater and a bimetal heat break, allowing for reliable printing with various materials while minimizing clogs. Their Sprite direct drive extruder enhances extrusion performance with a strong force of 65 N, ensuring smooth feeding of filaments such as PLA, Hyper-PLA, and PETG. Additionally, an effective model cooling fan and advanced algorithms improve print quality by enhancing details and reducing vibrations, resulting in high-quality, intricate models. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K 3D printer is a cutting-edge device made from durable metal and acrylic, featuring a striking black and orange design. With dimensions of 11.4-inch dx 11.4 wx 16.9h, it is compatible with personal computers and stands out for its remarkable 22mm, 1152 ppi, ultra-high resolution, making it the highest resolution printer on the market. This capability allows users to create incredibly intricate miniatures and bust sculpts with stunning detail. The printer is equipped with a linear projection LED module that enhances light uniformity for sharp model creation, while ultra-stable dual linear rails minimize Z-axis nodding, ensuring high-quality prints with exceptional stability. Additionally, the frosted laser-cut building plate ensures models adhere firmly during printing, delivering detailed results right out of the box. With a 7.1-inch mono LCD screen and an 18cm Z-axis, the Sonic Mini 8K provides a larger printing space, allowing for wider prints or multiple miniatures to be produced simultaneously.